Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. I, R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, is going to explain how the stock of material consumed we calculate in NPOs. We are on the topic of not-for-profit making organization, and yes, today I would like to explain for the sake of you just the stock of material consumed, the process and the steps involving calculating the stock of material. Because of that, you know it very well. In NPOs, just the number of a plenty of organizations are established to promote the cultural activities, sports, and how they keep their accounts, the topic that is going on. In previous videos, income and expenditure account, balance sheet, as well as receipt and payment accounts, the process, the method, the procedures, the steps involving preparing financial statement of NPOs, you have learned. Now, yesterday, the calculation of material consumed, I would like to explain. Calculation of consumable goods. Consumable goods. Through the question number 24. Question number 24. That is given in your textbook. I would like to read the information, whatever the information given. Calculate the amount of medicines consumed to be debited to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening stock of medicine 50,000, closing stock of medicine 45,000 more than the opening stock. Now read the information carefully. You can be able to deserve the fact. Means whatever the opening stock given 50,000 and the closing stock 45,000 more than opening stock, means the amount of the closing stock will be 50,000 plus 45,000 is equal to 95,000. That will be the closing stock. Amount paid for medicine during the year. Whatever the amount paid to the supplier of the medicine, that is 2 lakhs. Opening creditors 20,000 and closing creditors 50% of opening creditors. Just what will be the amount of debited to the income and expenditure account. Now, the information given in the question just we have to calculate the purchase during the assessment year. That is not given. Only payment made. First we have to prepare the creditors account. Through the creditors account, we can calculate the credit purchase of the particular year. Now dear children, first just we have to draw the creditors account. Here just this one is the method of preparing the creditors account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount, creditors account. This one is the debit column and this one is the credit column. Whatever the information given here, opening creditors 20,000. Then we can write over here by balance. Creditors always be credit by balance 20,000. 20,000 and the amount paid for medicine during the year, whatever the amount paid to the creditors, that is information given to bank. Because of that, journal entry will be, when we pay the creditors account debit to bank account. This is the entry. So to bank 2 lakhs. And then the closing balance of creditor, credit balance to balance. The information given 50% of opening creditors. 50% means opening creditor 20,000. The closing capital creditors will be 10,000. Now we can ascertain the credit purchase during the year. 2,10,000 minus 20,000 is equal to the balancing amount. Just we can write over here 2,10,000 by credit purchase. This one is the credit purchase by purchase account. That will be the $1,90,000. 1,90,000. 2,10,000 minus 20,000. That will be the credit purchase of the particular accounting period. Then how will the amount will be debited to the income and expenditure account? We can draw the format. That will be the amount column. Now see over here, that is the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. You can see this one is the debit and this one is the credit. Income amount expenditure amount. This is the way. Now, what are the medicine, the information given in the question? Opening stock of medicine. To, we can write this way, to opening stock of medicine. Stock of medicine, that is given 50,000. Inside of the amount column, it is written inside of the amount, outside of the amount column. Add purchase during the year. During the year. Add purchase during the year. Now we can ascertain from here, from the creditor's account, 1,90,000. 1,90,000. That will be the amount of 2,40,000. Less whatever the material remain unused, that is remain unused, less closing stock. Less closing stock of medicine. Stock of medicine minus closing stock, that is given in the information 45,000 more than opening stock. Means opening stock is 50,000 plus 45,000, 95,000 minus 95,000 is equal to 1,45,000 in amount column. We can write 1,45,000. Just we can write to material consumed. Material consumed. 1,45,000. We can see, we can write this way to material consumed 1,45,000. This is the process. Just the amount will be debited to the income and expenditure account, 1,45,000. How? What's the method? And just go through the steps involving in calculating the stock of material consumed. In the information in question number 24, just the opening stock of medicine given 50,000, and this one is the information given in the question. The closing stock of medicine will be 45,000 more than the opening stock of medicine. Means 50,000 plus 45,000. The closing stock of the medicine will be 95,000. Totally both the amount, and then after whatever the payment made during the year to the creditors, that is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, rupees 2 lakh has been paid to the creditors during the year, and the opening balance of the creditors given 20,000, and it has been said the closing creditors will be the 50% of opening creditors. First step involving, just we have to calculate the stock purchased during the year by preparing the creditors account. So creditors account, just the closing balance in credit column, by balance 20,000. The amount paid to the creditors to bank 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, and the closing balance of the creditors 10,000. 2 lakh 10,000. Then after the balance of this one, the credit balance, just the debit balance will be the purchase of the credit purchase of the assessment year. That will be the 1,90,000. Then after we can calculate the consumable goods during the year to opening stock given medicine 50,000, and purchase during the year, that is given credit purchase 1,90,000. The total amount, total stock will be the current year 2,40,000, and at the end of the year the remaining stock, whatever the stock remained unused of the medicine, that is 95,000. Information given in the question. Just the closing stock of the medicine will be 45,000 more than the opening stock. Opening stock given 50,000 plus 45,000, that will be the 95,000, and the amount, whatever the amount ascertained by involving such steps, just that will be the consumable material debited to the income and expenditure account. You can see, my dear, to material consumed 1,45,000. This is the process keep on watching, and it is debited to the income and expenditure account. Thank you very much, and the closing stock of material will be shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Thank you very much. Again, keep on watching the video.